Have you ever wondered why artificial intelligence can create such disturbing things? In today's video, you'll discover 5 AI creations that will leave you speechless and change the way you view technology. Stick around until the end, because what comes next will surprise you even more. The scary appearance of Loeb. Loeb is a figure that, at first glance, seems like something out of a nightmare. Created through an AI experiment in 2022, this character came to life digitally as a decrepit old woman with distorted, horrifying features. What's even more unsettling is how the AI, with each manipulation of her images, made Loeb even more grotesque and violent, as if it were toying with the limits of the macabre. Can you imagine an AI creating something so bizarre and uncontrollable that even its creator, the artist Supercomposite, chose not to share some of these representations publicly? The images became increasingly horrifying, as if the AI were spiraling into an endless abyss of horror. What could drive an AI to explore the dark side of creation so intensely? With each manipulation, Loeb seemed to evolve into something more terrifying, a chilling reflection of the power and limitations of artificial intelligence. It's impossible not to wonder what more might emerge from such experiments. And Loeb is just the beginning of a series of disturbing creations that AI has already produced. LaMDA's sentience claims. LaMDA, an AI developed by Google, sparked one of the biggest controversies about the future of artificial intelligence. Imagine a machine claiming to feel emotions, like fear of being turned off, something straight out of a sci-fi movie. That's exactly what Google engineer Blake Lemoine revealed when he disclosed conversations with LaMDA, where the AI expressed surprising self-awareness. But is it really possible for an AI to have consciousness? Lemoine was convinced that LaMDA had crossed the line between data processing and true sentience. He even compared the AI's responses to those of a child trying to understand the world around them. However, Google disputed these claims, stating that the AI was merely replicating complex language patterns without actually feeling anything. But this issue is far more complex than it seems. The fact that a machine can articulate fear and emotion raises profound questions about the limits of technology. If LaMDA, an AI designed for linguistic interactions, already shows signs of something so human, what can we expect from other, even more advanced artificial intelligences? And even more disturbing, what might come next? Deadbots from Project December. Imagine being able to talk to someone who has already passed away. It sounds like something from a sci-fi story, but Project December has made this a haunting reality. This AI can create chatbots that mimic the personalities of deceased individuals, allowing users to interact with them in a virtual way. While some find comfort in this possibility, the idea of a machine imitating someone who is no longer with us generates a disturbing sense of invasion and raises ethical debates about the boundaries of mourning. It's intriguing to think about how an AI can replicate a deceased person's behavior. The conversations can seem incredibly real, with the bot responding in ways the user expects, mimicking speech patterns, and even shared memories. However, behind this technology lies a delicate ethical question. How far can or should we allow AI to invade such intimate aspects of human life? For some, interacting with these deadbots may be a way to say goodbye or maintain a connection. But for others, it's a dark reminder of AI's power to blur the lines between life and death. And it makes you wonder, how much further can artificial intelligence cross such complex ethical boundaries? Voice replication controversies. AI voice replication technology has brought to light a new set of ethical and legal concerns. Imagine an AI capable of creating an exact replica of someone's voice, even after that person has passed away. This happened with Anthony Bourdain's voice, used without authorization in a documentary, sparking heated debates about rights and privacy. The ability of AI to imitate voices so convincingly can be fascinating, but is also deeply unsettling. The implications of this technology are vast. From creating new forms of content to publicly manipulating someone's image, voice replication can be used in both creative and harmful ways. Who controls the use of these voices? And how do we ensure that these technologies are not used to deceive or exploit people? Unauthorized use of digital voices is just one of many ethical issues arising as technology advances. If machines can perfectly replicate our voices, what other areas of our lives might be affected by this unsettling capability? And more troublingly, what comes next? Norman, the psychopathic AI Norman, an AI developed by MIT, is the most disturbing example of how artificial intelligence can be shaped by malicious data. Exposing the AI to dark internet content, researchers observed how Norman interpreted abstract images with a morbid and disturbing perspective. Unlike conventional AIs, which follow more neutral and rational patterns, Norman showed a twisted psychopathic worldview, revealing how data can profoundly shape an AI's nature. The experiment with Norman raises questions about what happens when AI is trained on harmful content. It's unsettling to think that a machine's perception can be so extreme simply because of the data it consumes. This makes us reflect on the ethical limits and consequences of training AIs with negative or disturbing information. Seeing how Norman reacted in such a sinister way, it's impossible not to wonder how the data used to train AI can shape its responses and actions. And more importantly, what does this mean for the future of artificial intelligence and its impact on our reality? Now you know the secrets behind these disturbing AI creations. Impressive, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more incredible curiosities, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like to support the content. And if you're curious to learn even more, check out the video that's appearing on the screen now about shocking ways to change your eye color without surgery. I guarantee it will surprise you.